family, in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how I've been moisturizing and keeping my silk press looking good. Today while I was walking into the nail salon to go and fill in my nails, and by the way, do you like that? It's my French nails, and this is now my natural nails. I'm just trying to keep the French nails over it because my nails are already grown all the way to the end of it, and they were like, do you want to fire it down a bit? I was like, no, I'm trying to grow my nails. And I only started trying to grow my nails with probably like a month ago now, and I've been taking my biotin supplements. If you guys want to know which biotin supplements I've been taking, I will leave my website link down below. So that biotin is growing my nails so much. That's something that I can just look and see like, wow, it's really working. And then but it's great for hair also, but it grows the nails very, very fast. So if you're trying to grow your nails, you will see hair growth, nails growth. Anyway, that's not what the video is about right now. And my baby girl is in the room here with me, Aurora. She's not feeling too well. She's down with cold. So while walking into the nail salon, hubby was like, babe, the back of your hair is looking a little bit dry now. You need to moisturize it. He keeping track of it more than I am. So I was like, okay. The last time I moisturized it, I probably about 5 days ago. This is like 3 weeks now since I silk pressed my hair. The first week I didn't do anything with it. All I did was just wrap it up in the night. The second week I've been applying the S Secrets Growth Oil to the ends of it, and then mid second weeks, like the middle part of the second week, and then I started going in with the S Secrets Growth Oil because I started noticing it started to become very dry, and the weather is also very harsh right now. Even though I want my silk press, but I still want my hair to be moisturized. I don't want no breakage. So I started going in with the S Secrets Growth Oil and the my curl enhancing smoothie, or you can also call it my what another name. I haven't really finalized on the name yet, but this is my curling cream with S Secrets. It is still in the developmental stage, so that's why you see it's in the little tiny butter. So that's what I've been using on my hair, and even though it's a bit thick, but it is not reverting my hair. As you guys can see, my hair still look very straight, but it just needs some moisturizing. It looks shiny on camera. It is shiny, but let me show you guys how the back is looking. It's also doing some little feathers in the back. So this is how the back is looking. Yes, so I'm coming to moisturize the ends. And also what I've been doing lately, I also been doing giving myself good scalp massage. You know, when our hair is so thick, the only time I can really do scalp massage is on my wash day. And then in between my wash day, when I'm moisturizing my hair, I will do it section by section. But now that my hair is straight, I can just put some S Secrets Growth Oil on my fingertips, and then I just go in and massage my scalp. So I also started doing that every night. Now I'm even doing it because it feels so good. I started doing that every night before I go to bed. But let me just show you how I'm keeping my silk press. It's still straight. It's still really straight. So all I normally do, I will put in just few drops of a Secret Growth Oil, about 5 drops, because if you want to keep your silk press long, you don't want it to revert. And then I take just that much, and then I mix it together. And then I just grab this section first, start from the ends. You know, the ends is the ones that are rubbing all against my clothes, so that part also get dry very, very easily. So I focus on that mainly. And then I just take my time and massage that in. Immediately it's starting to feel so soft. Yeah, when you're done doing that, it will feel a little bit stiff at the beginning, but don't worry. Once we wrap our hair, it will all just fall back again and become very fluffy. So I'm just going to do the same on this other section. Just take few drops and then take a bit of my curling cream, mix that together. Immediately you can see the shine with this section from this section, how it's looking. Just gonna grab everything forward and then just do the same. Yes, baby. I love you too. Aurora is just a sweet little girl. She always tells us how much she loves us. So after that, I will take a little bit, just 1, 2, 3, and then I will take a little bit of the curling cream, mix that together, and then I'll just run it through my hair. Immediately my hair is starting to feel so soft. Straight hair, when it's dry, it feels so bad. It feels like hard and like, like noodles, long strands of noodles. That's why you need to be very careful, because just a little thing, the moment you pop it, it's just gonna break on you. So I don't, when my hair start feeling like that, I don't like it. I don't care if it's gonna weigh it down or whatever. You guys know we are mainly care about the health of our hair. So I prefer to have my hair a little bit weighed down for day 1 to 2. Once I do this, it's gonna look a little bit weighed down to 3. It will start to look better, and then by day 4, I can do it again. So after applying it to my hair, I'm just going to go and comb through it. I got immediate softness back to my hair, and then I'm just going to go and wrap it, and then after a couple of hours I will come back and show you guys how it is looking. Wow, do you see the difference? Family, so the 2 hours did not work. This is the next morning. I went downstairs to help hubby with work, and before we look, the time just flew like that. So I was like, okay, I just take my shower, go to bed, and then in the morning I'll just show them the result. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. Just gonna take it down. Just going to comb it in place. See how I've turned so brand new, looking so sleek right now. And I just also love the extra body that it has. I'm also going to turn it around so you can see the back. How it's looking from the side. When I turn to the side, this is how the back is looking. And it's also feeling very soft. Better than yesterday when it was all dry and feeling very brittle. so this is how I've been maintaining my straight hair, and so that it doesn't dry out so much, and also it doesn't revert when I moisturize it. And I prefer a moisturized hair than a slick hair which is just dry and gonna break off. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you right in my next video. Bye bye.